Once upon a time, there was a tortoise named Kambu who lived in a beautiful pond. Two geese, Sankat and Vikat, were his best friends. Every day they talked, laughed, and spent time together. One year, there was very little rain. The pond began to dry up. The water level dropped lower and lower each day. The geese became worried. One day they said to the tortoise, "Friend, this pond may soon become completely dry. We know of a large lake far away where there is plenty of water. We should go there." The tortoise became frightened. "But how can I travel such a long distance? I cannot fly like you." The geese thought carefully and came up with a plan. They found a strong stick. They told the tortoise, "Hold the middle of this stick firmly with your mouth. We will carry the two ends while flying. But remember one important thing. You must not open your mouth during the journey." The tortoise nodded. "I understand. I will not say a word." The next morning, the geese lifted the stick and flew into the sky. The tortoise hung from the middle. Soon they were flying high above fields, rivers, and villages. People below looked up in amazement. "Look!" shouted one man. "A tortoise is flying." "What a strange sight!" cried another. The tortoise heard their voices. He felt proud that everyone was looking at him. As they flew over a town, a crowd gathered. The people laughed and pointed. "How funny that tortoise looks!" someone shouted. The tortoise became angry. He wanted to tell them that the idea belonged to his clever friends and that he was not foolish. Before he could finish the sentence, he let go of the stick. Down he fell from the sky. The geese watched sadly as their friend crashed to the ground. Thus, the tortoise lost his life because he could not control his curiosity and desire to speak. The end of the story. Thanks for listening. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.